What's up, guys? So today I was fixing the hood latch on my BMW Z4 03. So I just figured I would show you the latch mechanism and what failed on mine. So essentially this little lever arm stopped moving. I was able to free it up. I just kind of sprayed it with some cleaner and oiled it. But it was this arm that was stuck. It wouldn't move. This would move freely, so my hood would shut, but it wouldn't actually latch over. So this could be happening to you. Try to set you up real quick. So you can see the issue. This one wouldn't move. You push down on this, and you'll be able to see it clicks over. With mine, this wasn't clicking over at first. I had to clean it up, work this back and forth, and put a screwdriver here, pry it that way, pry it this way, get it down. The latch pulls, it goes back up. So this is why mine was stuck. It'd be yours. The reason why yours is stuck as well, or it's not stuck, but it's not closing all the way. It's over. Mine would close, but it wouldn't stay latched. Just have the safety latch holding it. I just went back and forth, did that a few times, got it to free up. So now I should be good to go. Hopefully this helps somebody out. They have a hood latch that's not working for them. Take care, guys.